Hello viewers, welcome back to iOracle educational channel. Previously we did talk about a structure of a amino acid. This is basic structure, and we did talk about 20 amino acids and provided some tips how to memorize the name, how to memorize their structure. Basically every amino acid is different because this R group is different. So that's how they're different from each other. But how do the amino acid join together make a protein? So the basic reaction is between carboxyl group and an amino group, and water comes out of it. And as a result, this covalent bond forms, which is called peptide bond. So this is a peptide bond right here. This is how a protein becomes bigger and bigger. We will talk about the shapes of proteins in a different lecture, but today we're just going to talk about peptide and disulfide bond. So that's pretty much the description of peptide bond I wanted to explain here. Next we're going to talk about disulfide bond. So disulfide bond is between the two cysteine group right here. So the sulfur, there's one sulfur right here and one sulfur right here. So two sulfur join together and make a disulfide bond. And disulfide bond is basically very important for the stability of the protein structure. And there are other bonds forms between elements like OH and oxygen. Those are groups are attached to the structure of a protein of different amino acids, which are part of this big protein. And this is the structure of a protein right here. And all proteins are not folded like this. They can be folded in different ways, like this, or something different like this. It depends. So just want to talk about the hydrogen bond. So this is the hydrogen bond can occur between the closing groups, and there are other type of bond occurs in the protein structure, and this one is called it's not a bond, it's just a called interaction between different molecules that are popping out here. Van der Waals interaction. So that also kind of dictate the shape of a protein. And van der Waals, they are not very they are very very weak interactions, but larger the molecule is, they make a quite a bigger difference in that sense. So this is the end of the protein molecules right here, the amino group on one end, and on the other end there is a carboxyl group. So that's about the disulfide bond that I wanted to explain here, that it is between two cysteine groups. Let me kind of okay. So that's it from this video today, guys. Just two type of bonds that I wanted to explain. One is peptide bond, and which is right here, that makes a protein longer, joins two amino acids together. And another one is disulfide bond, which is between two cysteine groups. So cysteine is a type of amino acid that we already discussed. So remember that protein can be in any shape. It has to be folded in some kind of form. So I just made this form just to make sure that three type of bonds can be explained here. All right, that's all from my side from iOracle channel. We will see you next time.